What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're in Waxahachie bowling a Southwest Regional. This is my three-peat attempt. I won 2 years ago in Waxahachie, last year in Waxahachie, and this year they're putting out a little bit longer of a pattern. We're bowling a pre-tournament qualifier. We're bowling a pre-tournament sweeper today, get used to the pattern a little bit, and then we'll bowl the qualifying block number 1 tomorrow. But for right now, let's get into the sweeper.
For all y'all trick shot challenge guys out there, here's a trick shot challenge for you.
Pretty close, right?
Kneel. There you go, trick shot challenge.
Well, I ended up finishing second in the sweeper to Tony Franklin, a one-handed righty senior in the Dallas area, really solid bowler. But for me, second place finish at plus 60-ish. Started off hot with a 250, and then I shot 180, 220, 220. So I decided to slow hook the black hammer, which I thought was the better play. It was the one that worked in the practice session. Slow hooking it worked again in the sweeper. So looking forward to tomorrow during the tournament. I definitely think we're going black hammer at least to start. I had a good look with some of the reactive balls in the practice session, but really the black hammer was the staple ball in my bag that I knew was going to hit the pocket every time. So for me, going into tomorrow, black hammer, probably going to start off trying to throw it slow and hook a little more, because playing straight and throwing it hard looked just a little too risky for me. So tomorrow, looking forward to it. We got 8 games across 16 lanes. Let's have some fun. I lied, it's 7 games. It's not 8, 7 games. Fine.
up, pick up, pick up.
Fast.
Hook. Push. Pick up. Dude. Push. Pick up. pick up, pick up, pick up. Two. Shooting 300 to make the cut.
Oh, set today. I was too focused on external factors that I couldn't control, and I needed to rein it in, focus on myself, and lock in. And I will say, our little friend, Bug Kroll, gave me a little bit of a pep talk.
Did he?
He did. He was like, what are you doing? Why are you complaining? Like, he goes, what are you, he didn't say, why are you complaining? He said, you can't control the things that you're mad about. Like, there's been some lane breaks down, there was the delay. Like, you can't control those things. Just like I can't control other people's actions, and it still gets me upset sometimes. Little man, big heart for the win. What a guy. Get your merch, thehousebowling.com. Use code BUG for 15% off. I think we still got to go. Ryan, how'd it go for you?
Rough start, great finish, great back five. Whacked in the back five. 280 over, so.
I had a rough middle.
Good rough middle.
I had a rough middle.
Some of those pairs are just bad.
1 and 2 and 15 and 16. Every other game was fine. Every other game. The 2 end pairs got me good.
Not in play tomorrow. Ooh, 1 and 2 is in play tomorrow.
Or 15 and 16. We don't know. One of them's in play tomorrow because 13 and 14 is down.
I was talking to him. It was 1 and 2.
Anyways, we're back tomorrow. Today went well. I got to focus a little more internally and a little cooler. I think I was one of 3 lefties that made the cut, so it'll be a little less transition tomorrow. The two other lefties were one-handed, low rev rate. So, yeah, way less transition tomorrow. I'll have it to myself with the urethane balls, I believe. So we'll be back at it with a black hammer tomorrow. Maybe. Reactor balls looked all right, so we'll see. Yeah, we will not be throwing reactor. We'll be back tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. And until then, we're gonna ask like we asked a couple years ago. Sponsor us. For those of you who know what the orange building is, and we're in Texas, sponsor us.
Gotta be good. my God.
What's the recap for today's Cashers round?
It couldn't have gone worse. The left side was tough. I tried to throw it slow all day yesterday and try and hook it a little more, and it looked great, and all the other lefties bowled terrible on my squad. For those of you looking at the standings, Dio Bernard threw a backup ball every game, so he doesn't count as a lefty. But all the lefties bowled really bad, and then today, I feel like I had what all of them had, which was hang left and oil right. Going back, should have experimented a little more, probably played further left and a little harder, which I was pretty against coming into the day because it looked so bad yesterday. But new day, new pattern, as it always is, and you got to take a fresher mindset. So looking back, I should have played further left, should have thrown a little faster in where I knew the friction was going to be every shot. I hit the pocket every shot but one for 2 consecutive games, so honestly, if there was a little more mental toughness, I probably could have shot, 2-teen, but looking back, all I needed was kind of 2 teens across the board today. Just really hard to get there. So, perspective, I got a really cool job. I got an opportunity to bowl some extra games today and learn a little bit more. We'll be back. 3-peat, over.